Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be looking at something different. Something that I picked up at Walmart for $10 each. I know we usually do model railroading on this channel, but hey, I thought I might go in a different direction. As you can see, I have bought both a Percy set, or just a model of Percy on his own. There he is. Look at his face. So there's Percy. And I bought a TrackMaster track pack. When I bought Percy, I was like, I needed some track, so I bought this pack. It comes with a little Thomas. Percy was pretty much all they had, by the way. And here's the back of the box. And I'm about to show them one of Percy. And it shows you can get Thomas too. So let's dive into this unboxing, and from the time lapse, Percy was a bit difficult to get open, so I really had to fight with it for just a little bit, and here is my response on Percy. Wow. Percy feels really, really light. I mean, really light. Jesus, that is... Hang on. Here's an ordinary TrackMaster Thomas I have. I think my great aunt gave this to me. I do have several Tomy TrackMaster stuff, Thomas stuff, in the basement of my house, but they're tucked away. He's pretty weighty. Percy feels super light. Thomas is just a hair bit heavier, but Percy, Jesus, he's light. Now I'm going to unbox the track pack before I get Percy running. So carefully pushing things to one side, we are now going to get the TrackMaster plate pack open. I keep saying track pack, but I don't think that's what it is, isn't it? I think it's the regular play set. Don't trust anyone you know with sharp objects. So right now I am trying to open the box, and as you can see, there are actually a few bits of tape I had to cut. It was kind of a little bit tricky to get the box open, let alone getting a little bit tricky to get Thomas out as well. Ooh, Thomas is tough. Now the hard part to get Thomas the Tank out of its packaging. Thomas is a nice character. He's a nice model in this. You know, he's not like the old take-along stuff that I used to have or take and play. The swagging he comes with, pretty nice. Right, now let's see how track is. Pretty curious to see how track is. Don't play with sharp objects. Alright, maybe that slit should be good enough. Huh. Track. It feels nice. It didn't feel like how I thought it was going to feel. I had a feeling I thought it was going to be a weird type of plastic, but oh well. That out now for the other one. Don't play with sharp objects. See what I mean? About poke my finger if you saw that. Alright. There's all the pieces. Now put the batteries in Percy. And of course, I tried to get Percy open with the ordinary small screwdriver I have, but it turned out to be too small, so I had to switch to a little bit bigger one. And as you can see, if you do plan on buying this model, it requires 2 AAA batteries. Pretty quiet runner. Time to get the track set up. Well, it looks fairly simple to do. I mean, yeah. Just see if I can do it one-handed. I'm gonna have to get a tripod. Hold on. There we go. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. It's kind of tough, but it's very simple. Get the other one. There we go. So, it's pretty much what it is. I said I needed some track when I bought Percy, and this was the only one I found. I found it at Walmart. Didn't cost much either, oddly enough. Yeah, that's the playset. Now we get Percy running. Right, get Percy on here, see how he runs without the car. Okay, not bad. He bumps into this thing a little bit, but not bad. Okay. He ain't bad at all. Yeah, Percy ain't bad. I saw Armor Thomas one and I was just like, oh man. It's like I really wanted it, you know? But yeah. I didn't get the Armor Thomas. I kind of want the original Thomas, you know? But I'm with Percy because Percy's pretty much the only one they had. But I didn't go for the Armor Thomas. Probably should have. Oh well. At least I got Percy. Alright, Percy. Now let's see how you'll do with your wagon. Can I do this one-handed? I can't, can I? There we go. Sorry if you didn't see that. Alright, Percy, take it away. And he's off. Nice. I really am starting to like this. Damn you, Mattel. Damn you. Yep. It must be said. I really do like this. What's the main problem though? Percy does not freewheel. Listen to this. Watch this. Yep, he doesn't freewheel. Unlike the TrackMaster Thomas, this one doesn't really have a battery in it. He freewheels. So Percy, nah, does not stand a fucking chance. Yep, but I still like it. I really do. I know. What about Thomas? Well, I'll get him running too. He's a classic TrackMaster. He's a hit toy company, Thomas. He's not the Mattel one. This was before Mattel took over. See, it works. Gotta just... see? Let's give him a run. Alright, before we call it a night, let's have a train crash. We'll get Thomas on a run. I'll just wait for Percy to come by and wait for the right timing. Ready? Now. Oh! Wow. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. That's the way kids play with trains. Yeah, I quite like it. I like this playset a lot. Sure, it's a kid's toy, even though we're all into something like this, but hey, you know, it's nice to get a change every once in a while. I mean, hey, I love trains. Thomas is pretty much the reason why I got into trains. So yeah, I love it. I really do love it. I hate to say it. I hate to admit it. I really love it. I think I might go back to Walmart tomorrow and get the Norma Thomas, because the Norma Thomas looks so interesting. Oh, man. Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.